Mayapat panapon, or that's a translation, magandang hapon po, tanghali sa inyong lahat. And again, welcome back here at the BREN GUIAO Convention Center in San Fernando, Pampanga. Ryan, para po muli for our third game of our 6-game affair dito po sa Pampanga Inter-Municipalities-Cities Basketball League, also known as Delta Cup. The two teams that are participating today will be Santa Rita versus the Mabalacat. And both these teams, wala pa silang record of sorts, but of course, we will also review the other games that we have. Ang pinaka-importante dito is to get the first win. And of course, since this is a single round elimination, the mga teams na magpa-participate and they are divided into two groups, one win will be very important as we move on to the playoffs phase next month. And of course, sa mga darating na linggo, tatlong araw tayo, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, as we have the starters right now on your screens. For Mabalacat, we have Briones, Pineda, Arcilla, Tolentino, and Basangan. Para naman sa Santa Rita, Bernarte, Manalac, Buwan Buanes, and Ocampo. There are three referees that will whistle for this ball game. We have Bertz Isuga, and of course we also have Villafranca and Escalante. Now, the important thing here para sa ating mga televiewers here is that for this team sa Santa Rita, ang kailangan nilang gawin dito is to make those free throws. Kasi nung chinek ko yung mga previous game ng Santa Rita, their problem is free throw shooting. And Escobar, Gilas will be a vital cog as far as rebound is concerned. Para naman sa kabila, sa Mabalacat, ang kailangan nila put a premium is yung defense because they limiting opponents to about 60 to 70 points. So marami silang mga shot blockers dyan. And kailangan nila magkaroon ng even distribution of points. Nagkakaroon sila ng problema because only about 2 or 3 persons from Mabalacat scoring at will. Yan po yung hinimay natin detalye sa bawat kupunan. Now, both of these teams are a very good pedigree as far as coins concerned. Of course, yan po ang coaching staff ng Mabalacat. This coach already guided this team, lalo na yung mga 12 and 14 under to some titles. And at the same time, makikita natin sa mga bata, they are very intense. The other coach naman is very calm, cool, collected, and all they need to boys is to follow the game plan. Makita natin siya na medyo very stricto pagdating sa pangmahihimay-himay ng mga plays ng Santa Rita. White shirts ang jersey ng Mabalacat. Santa Rita wearing in black jerseys. As we about to start the first quarter, Bertz Isuga, our chief referee, will toss the ball in the first possession for Santa Rita. Here's a three-point shot. Pumasok. Oh, nice hook shot. A little spin on the hook shot, huh? 2-0 is the count. Makaagaw dito ang Santa Rita, and that's a fast break finish for nothing. Oh boy. Hindi lang sila malaki, mabibilis pa. Alright. Santa Rita is now pressing the ball carrier from Mabalacat. Hang time move. Oh, great play by Bansagan. That's a highlight. And that time, Mabalacat's turn to press. And Pineda misses. Pineda gets it right back. Yung hand time doon kanina, hindi pumasok. 4-2 is the count. There is a push, says referee Bertz Isuga. 14 to shoot now para sa Mabalacat. Briones, double the key. Ikot ang bola. Pineda drives hard. He forces his way. Briones. The shot clock expired on Mabalacat. That's a 24-second shot clock violation. Alright, back to live action tayo. We have a foul away from the play. It's a push by number 9 ng Mabalacat. Both teams have first team fouls. Ito, 3-point shot, Manyalak. Umalog. Ito, tatakbo ang Mabalacat. Here's the shot. Is that a 3-point shot? No, sabi ng referee, it's only a long 2. For all. Inside incursion. Suddenly it's a 6-4. It's a basket there para kay Buwan. Mamaya re-reviewin ko yung last appearance na I think nagharap na sila eh. Pero ibang team sa kanilang hinawi. Hihimayin natin yan. 7:50 remaining, first quarter. 6-4, lamang ang Santa Rita ng 2 puntos. Konting bagaan doon. And another fast break incursion by Mabalacat. 6-all. Buwan quickly, that's a bump. And Asuncion will be called again for another foul. That's his second. Okay, tinatali ng sapatos. Okay, ready na tayo. Back in play. Inbound for Santa Rita. On the right wing, open si Buwan. Cans at triple. 9-6 Santa Rita. Magandang ang scoring for both squads. They shoot pretty well from the field. Briones. Ball will stay with Mabalacat. They have 15 seconds on the shot clock. Seven to shoot. 2 seconds on the shot clock. He beats the shot clock with a running hook. 8-9. To shoot now for Santa Rita. 3-point shot na naman. Maiksi. And out of bounds, babalik ang bola sa Mabalacat. Bola na ngayon ng Mabalacat. Last shot in the work. Dalawang players ang nag-rebound. Ayun, nabitawan niya sila. Tumama sa camera. Ouch! Sabi ng ating camera, ow! Ang sakit sa tiyan. That's part of the job, bro. In the meantime, Malyari. Ano yan? 2 times na tango na ba yan? Another base shot by Santa Rita. It's a fast-paced first quarter we're seeing right now. Atake muli ang Mabalacat low post play, double team. Ilabas si Malyari. Wow! Banggaan doon. There's a foul on Buwan. J1, number 21. Both teams have 2 team fouls. Pineda will inbound. Alley-oop, nope. Taken away. Ocampo lobs to his teammate from the baseline. Nako, bitin ang tira. 9-8 is the count. Nagkakairingan na sila doon sa ilalim. And now, they cross it to the 8-second line and another turnover. Black shirts on the run. Buwan delivers. It's a 3-point game. Oops. Mayroon tayong foul. Foul on Buwan. That's the Third team foul on Santa Rita. (11 to 8). 3-point Santa Rita lead. Shot clock. Oh, okay. Siya ay tinawagan ng traveling. Na-pause tuloy ako. Excuse me. Halfway point of the first quarter. It's a 3-point Santa Rita lead. Glad to have you with us this afternoon. My name is Ryan Para. Baseline drive, running shot, wala. Ball is loose. Babalik ang bola sa, or it will stay with Santa Rita. They have 14 seconds on the shot clock. The lob pass. Perfectly executed play, but they just blew it. Could have been a great anticipation. Ito na Mabalacat. This is the third game of season. We're now on the halfway point of broadcast. Nako. Potential pass tumama sa iron. Nice drive there by Elospa. Glide to the basket. 11-10. Crossover. Basket counts and one. Great play by Santa Rita. Take a look at this replay and shows this last bit of action in slow-mo. Tingnan natin. Here it comes, the drive, the foul, ayun, huli. Pineda admits that foul. 3-point play opportunity for Santa Rita. It's good. 4-point edge for Santa Rita. Great hands, quick hands for Ocampo. Starter step, stopping the break, puts it in. Ocampo has dexterity fundamentals in his footwork. 6-point game. Elospa, hang time. Ooh, this guy can fly and can glide. Alam mo yung mga tira ni Elospa, parang Clyde Drexler, no? Talagang nag-glide, may mga pabitin. And Elospa will earn 2 free throws on that last foul of Santa Rita. You know, his form of shooting, parang nalala ko si Lambert Shell ng Santa Lucia. Ganyan-ganyan tumira eh. Quick release pero may sure ball eh. No? Makes both. How about this? Elospa has 6 of the 12 of Mabalacat. Half of the production. And Elospa steals it. Look at the crossover by Elospa. Nabitaw lang ng bola. Could have been a good one. Oh, this boy has some hops, huh? Elospa. (20-minute) shot clock from the baseline. Not a pick. 40 to shoot. Drop pass. 3-pointer. Wala. Put back. Yun. Malog pala papasok. That's Buwan, the other Buwan, the Buwan brothers. Opposite steal and almost hit me. Malyari may tangan ng bola. 5 to shoot. Crossover by Elospa. He eluded Manalo that time, and it will be a foul against Manalo. 2:51 left in this first quarter. And Santa Rita already entered the penalty situation at this juncture with 2:51. Elospa. 7 points already. Make that 8. Ba? Ganda ng kanyang free throw shooting. 100%. 4-4. So, we now know that Elospa will be a markman. He's a top scorer. 2:47 remaining. Mabalacat within 4. Alley-oop play! Oh! Highlight. That's a highlight. 6-point game, Santa Rita. 2.5 minutes remaining in the first quarter. The touch pass. Nicely done, Abella with the finger roll. Yun ang maganda rito sa Mabalacat, no? Kahit malalaki ka, hindi ka lang mabilis, no? Ang galing mong pumekto sa finger roll. Nag-start yan kay Justin Baltasar. He has that hop, teardrop, and also a finger roll move in a 6'9" big guy with a much longer wingspan rather. 3 ball, wala. Mabalacat. 4-point game. 2 minutes remaining sa ating first quarter. Eto na ang Mabalacat. Nice gliding move. And a bucket there for Mabalacat. 20-18 is a 2-point lead for Santa Rita. 1 minute and 53 sa ating first quarter. Medyo tikit ang ating first quarter, and both teams playing pretty good as far as field goal shooting is concerned. They're shooting over 50%. Hang time move by Malyari. Whoa! Bumomba sa ere. That's De La Cruz, rather. It's a 4-point game for Santa Rita. Some pressure being employed for the ball carrier. They swing it around on the right wing. Ito na si Malyari. There's some switch on the offense. Box 1 and box 2. Tipino, there's a double screen together with Arcilia. Here's the drive. The cut from the baseline. Nice up fake by Elospa. Almost stepping. Elospa! Oh! Bitin na kanyang pectus. And Tipino draws charge. Widens that elbow. It's going to be an offensive foul on Tipino. Alright, meron tayong substitution for Santa Rita. Manalo checks out. Let's take a look at this slow replay. Ayun, talagang binangga. Kitang-kita yung kanyang right elbow for that offensive foul. A minute remaining in the first quarter. 3-point shot kapos para sa Santa Rita. Malyari. Baseline drive. Delivered. 49 ticks to go. It's a close-fought first quarter. Manyalak. 3 ball. Left quarter court. Lead is back to 5 for Santa Rita. 25-20. Nakaagaw muli dito ang Santa Rita. Medyo careless ang dribble ng white shirts. Another 3. Back to back for Manyalak. 8-point bubble now. And Santa Rita continues to press. Here's another fast break. Let's go for a 3. Hindi lang pumasok. Could have been a 3 straight triples there for Manyalak. Almost on that same spot when he first attempted. Final 5 seconds. Elospa has been productive. Elospa drives, lost it. 1 second to go. He puts it up. Not enough. Not enough. First quarter ends with an 8-point Santa Rita lead, 28-20, as we have the first quarter highlights for you. Panoorin natin ang mga highlights ng first quarter. Alley-oop. Oh! Sarap tingnan. And another one on the fast break. Ito, tres. Ilista mo na. For Santa Rita. That should do it in the first quarter. 28-20, Santa Rita up by 8. Okay, nagpapatuloy po ang ating Pampanga Municipalities and Cities Basketball, also known as Delta Cup. Live and direct here at the BREN Convention Center in Napali, Pampanga. And of course, this league is brought to you by the Pampanga Information Office, headed by no less than our beloved Governor, Governor Dennis Delta Pineda. And this live stream is powered by Sinag Liga Asia. You may like, share, and subscribe our Facebook pages both on the PIO of Pampanga and also to the Sinag Liga social media platforms and YouTube and Facebook. My name is Ram Paro. The lead is 8 for Santa Rita. 2 free throws now para sa Mabalacat. So far, baba dito si Ilospa. Here a fine performance. Meron tayong substitution on the floor. Let's have some shoutouts. Nancy Bal, sabi niya, good luck my idol, Wilfredo Manalo. Sabi ni Genesis Maniago, Dumao, di uso 3 seconds. Alright, sabi ni Christian James Bagales, shoutout kay Jerome Reyes. Yeah. In the meantime, a tip-in was produced on that one. 5-point game for Santa Rita. 70 to shoot, baseline. Now moves out from top of the key. Ball tapped away, slap away. It will stay with Santa Rita. Meron pa silang 11 seconds on the shot clock. Pretty good size squad here at the BREN Convention Center. At napakarami nating liga. Hindi lang dito, kundi sa iba't ibang bahagi ng Pilipinas at ibang bahagi ng mundo rin. 5 to shoot. The drop. The fadeaway. And without tip trust. Fast break. Ooh. Okay, the whistle's going to be a foul on someone. 8:49 remaining sa ating first. Take a look at this replay. Ito yung fast break. At ito yung bump foul. So, siya ititiran 2 free throws. Swak. Alam mo yung forma niya, parang parang Alan Kaidik. Siyempre, nakapagpa-picture tayo kay Alan Kaidik. Finally, no? Kay the trigger man. He makes ball. What a stroke. Nice stroke. 3-point game, Santa Rita. Unti-unti bumabangon dito, Mabalacat. Time down to 8 minutes and 42 remaining in the first half of action. Turnover. Tipino with a moonlight cruise to the basket. The lead of Santa Rita chops down to 1, 28 to 27. Let's look at this last bit of action in slow-mo. Time out. It's a 1-point game for Santa Rita. 28 to 27. 8 minutes and 35 remaining. Ako po yung lingkod Ryan Paro doing the call. Game 3 of 6. We're now halfway through our broadcast sa ating Delta Cup. And this is gonna be what? A backcourt violation. So babalik ang bola sa Mabalacat and they will have 14 seconds on the shot clock. Dapat 14. Okay. Offensive foul. Tipino, wadded up. Offensive foul. Okay, makikita ko na rin yung bayan ni Japit Aguilar. Sasmuan, Pampanga will be up next. And of course, Japit now is a proud father. Soon to be 2. And he's now 35 years of age. So he already reached his peak as far as 2020 and the basketball landscape is concerned, no? with a beautiful wife with his family. 2 minutes gone by, starting second quarter on. Weight drop pass. What a pass by Tipino. Lamang na ngayon ang Mabalacat for the very first time in a long time. They lead 2-0 early in the first quarter. Inside incursion. Mayroon tayong foul. Sabit sa kamay. Slow-mo replay shows this. Ganda ng pasa. Beautiful. First free throw is good. First deadlock, 29 apiece. Sa ating Delta Cup dito lang sa San Fernando, Pampanga. Pasok. 7:41 to play. Ito na ang fast break na naman. Oh, look at that. Wow. Mabalacat Sta Rita. 1-point advantage. 30 to shoot. Agawang buko. 8 on the shot clock. Outside sniping does not fall into place. And here's Mabalacat on the offensive. Elospa. Drives. Alley-oop to Malyari. Nako. May foul muna bago yan. There's a foul before that. No? 2 team fouls. Both Mabalacat Sta Rita. Let's take a look at this last bit of action in slow-mo. Potential alley-oop. Backfired. And no tying foul on that instant. $55 remaining in this second quarter. Pumuna siya. He will cool his heels right now. Looks for some cutters. The turnover there. Ito na Mabalacat. Inside incursion. Oh, nice drop pass again. Second time around at Mabalacat, always sharing the ball, giving away to the highest field goal maker possible. Look at this pass. Beauty to watch. Mabalacat on the upper hand by 3 points. 33-30. Bedtime substitutions for both squads. Wenko checks out. Bonus free throw now. Short. Sta Rita takes care of business. Close second quarter tayo. 3 lamang abante ng Mabalacat. 6:20 remaining the first half. Alright, meron tayong whistle. $14 to shoot now. With 6:15 remaining in the second quarter. Closely fought encounter. O yan. Hindi na inantay ni Bel Sisuga. You need to inbound. Ha? Walang pupunta doon sa baseline. Ito na ang Sta Rita sa kanilang ploy. 8 to shoot. Top of the key 3. Ayaw. Rebound. Nice snared. By this guy. No look pass. Pinwersan niya yun. Pinwersan yun. That will be what? Offensive foul? Hindi. Hindi pala offensive foul. That is traveling. Sorry naman. 5:53 left in the first half. 3-point shot from the left corner. Bitid. And now the Mabalacat team is on a 3-point edge. Pero meron tayong pito ng referee. It's going to be out of bounds. It will stay with the white shirts of Mabalacat. Crossover. Whoop, whoop. Medyo nadulas siya. Okay lang. Mananatili yung bola sa Mabalacat. They're up by 3. The shot clock is at 13 seconds. 5:30 remaining. Malyari inside incursion. Nagka-ground. Kuryente yung bibig ko. All right, potential three-point play opportunity. Nope. 5-point game. There's double team. Ilabas mo ng bola. Baseline. Natumba. Pero kanina pa rin ang bola. 8 to shoot now. That's air ball. Good defensive stance by Mabalacat. The drop. Oh, Malyarin. Binangga. May foul. Good call. Kalura was called for that foul. Substitutions now for Santa Rita. Free throw time now for Mabalacat. He cans it. 6-point game for Mabalacat. Halfway point of the second quarter. Wala. And now, Santa Rita crumbled of late. They couldn't establish the offensive rhythm, and then likewise they turned the ball over on that instant. So slowly but surely, Mabalacat is pulling away. Inside pass. Low post play. Kick out. Whoa. Oh, that deserves a replay. Nice play there. 8-point game. 3-point shot. It's out. Here's the love. Oh, a lost pa. That particular action could have brought the Hasa because he didn't expect that ball will be bounced straight in his face. And since he was challenged, that layup almost went in. So far, productive itong si Ilospa. 8 points in the first half. 9 now. And then free throw. Ilospa, 6 of 6 from the free throw. 10 points. Ilospa, 6 of 6 from the free throws. Had a good account of himself. He had a superb first half. 10-point game now. 4 minutes remaining the second quarter. 16 on the shot clock. Ito na Santa Rita. Ocampo. Here's the turnaround by Gatchalian. Oh, sorry. It's Guanlao rather. Guanlao. 40-32. Agaw muli ang Santa Rita. Unti na silang makakabalik. Guanlao, he was fouled. And Elospa readily acknowledged that foul. He's a sportsman, huh? He just play hard, but still with a big smile on face. All right, three free throws now for Guanlao. Yung kanyang name na somewhat Chinese. Medyo kinulang. Kanyang free throw. Medyo kinulang. Guanlao will redeem himself. Nope. Put back. Yes. An instant timeout being given by Mabalacat. The score is 40-34. 3:32 to go in the first quarter. In the second quarter, rather. We have a timeout. Balik tayo sa laro. Live po tayo dito sa BREN Convention Center, San Fernando, Pampanga. This is where the game 3 of 6 ng ating Delta Cup. Oh, could have been a magnificent drive pero didn't pay off. Ito, nagpe-pressure ng Mabalacat. From the corner. Op. Teka muna. Is that basket counted? Let's check. No, says the referee, Reggie Suga. The basket is nullified, offensive foul. 3:13 left sa ating second quarter. Mabalacat lamang ng 6. Lost pa again. You know, this guy already scored 12 points. And he continues to be a catalyst of this team. The grinding force. Fast break finish in full display. Mabalacat. 4-point cluster. At kung nanonood ngayon si Justin Baltazar, tuwan-tuwa siya sa mga bata. 10 to shoot. Looking for a cutter. Maniala. 5-minute shot clock. Thought about a 3. Here's the drive. Lays it up. No. Rebound. Mabalacat pa rin. 2:12 remaining in the first half. Lost pa. Here's the drive from the baseline. Nabitawan. Sapal. Leaving 4 seconds on the shot clock. Okay, we have some public service announcements here on my alma mater, St. James School of Quezon City, as we continue this game with under 2 minutes remaining. The St. James College of Quezon City mourns the passing of one of founders, Mina Montealegre Torres, one of the dearest of my parents. Passed away yesterday at the age of 78 years old. His remains, it's at Chapel 6 of the Heritage Park, Fort Bonifacio, Taguig City. So, condolences po sa aking mga St. James alumni batch 98. Condolences to the Torres family. Balik tayo sa laro. 44-34. Minute and 50 remaining. Mabalacat now with possession. Here's the incursion. Naku! Malyari offensive putback. Pull strong inside. With a foul to boot. You know that guy, Malyari, yung kanyang brute strength na offensive rebound. Parang ano no? Gabi Espinas. Panoorin natin muli. Kita mo naman. He outsmarted Ocampo for that rebound and he puts it in. So yun ang katulong ni Elos pa as far as scoring is concerned and hustle. Yes. Ayan, lumalayo na Mabalacat. 13 na ang abante. Santa Rita lost its team in the middle of the second quarter run of Mabalacat. A minute and a half. Of course, binabati ko ang aking partner, Alvin Tanyana. Bukas, uupo siya sa ISAA and we will announce a schedule later on our main game. Bibigyan namin sa inyo yung schedule. At of course, the production team of this Delta Cup will also cover ISAA bukas. Drop pass, Malyari, hang time move. Oh, that shot almost went in. Sabi ni Malyari, woohoo! Pumasok yun, ano? Take a look at this replay. From the pass, the drop off, Malyari is open. Hang time move. Oh, look at that. That went in. That brought the house down. Very athletic guy. Ito si Malyari. So, 1-2 punch to ng Mabalacat, ano? Elospa and Malyari. Unlike Elospa, he's eating free throws. Malyari struggles to the free throw line. Pero lamang pa rin ng Mabalacat ng 13 puntos. 47-34. Make that 48-34. Approaching a minute sa ating first half of basketball action. At ito na naman, nahirapan na Santa Rita. Tinapon nila ang bola. Buwan is severely guarded. 14 to shoot now. Dahan-dahan dito ibababa Mabalacat ang bola. Oh, counted. Counted and foul. Let's see that again in slow-mo. How about that? Bonus free throw. Elospa. 12 points. O 14 points pala. Dahil nakascore siya. First miss on the line. He is, how many? 8 of 9, ha? 8 of 9 free throws, ha? Ganda na percentage ni Elospa. A miss there by Santa Rita. 36 ticks. Short on the 3. Kanina pa rin na bola with 10 to shoot. Basang-basa ang pick and roll play. Ayaw talaga pumasok. Last shot for him. Final 12 seconds before we call it a half. Alley-oop play to Malyari. Oh, wow. These two guys really collaborating each other. Superb offensive thrust for Elospa and Malyari. Ganging up with this 50-point output for Mabalacat. Look at this. They were really enjoying beautiful music together. I'm talking about Elospa and Malyari. Unlike Elospa, who just missed free throw, Malyari continues to struggle. One more for Malyari. And he muffed those opportunities. Nonetheless, just 5 seconds. 3-point shot at the buzzer. It didn't. First half is history. It's a 16-point edge for Mabalacat. 50 to 34 as we gonna have some halftime reports for this. We'll be right back for more. You're still watching Delta Cup. All right, we are about to start our second half, and our halftime score 50-34. Mabalacat up by big 16-point margin. And let's have some highlights of the first half, beginning with this one. Layup scored there. And a little bit of body English para sa Santa Rita. And in the first quarter, yung 3-point shot. The 2 3-point shots made by that guy. And also the nice pass with incursion. And let's take a look at our top scorers for both squads. For Mabalacat, we have MJ Elospa with 12, JP Malyar with 11, Nico Topino with 5. And for Santa Rita, we have Jamon Buwan with 9, Robic Ocampo with 6, and James Buwan with 4. So sa Mabalacat, kita-kita natin yung Elospa. 12 points pala, no? He's 6 of 7 from the free throw line. And he is shooting 50% from the field. And yung kanyang katulong mamaya, si Topino. Let's see if he will good account of themselves doon sa ating sa kanyang mga free throw attempts. Now, for for Santa Rita to get back on track, first of all, they need to stop Elospa. And wag natin pa ito yan. Yan. There's some of the fans nandito sa BREN GUIAO. Ayun, yung bata. Medyo nilalamig na yung bata. Balik tayo dun sa ating game analysis. Yung sa Santa Rita, kailangan nilang makabalik. Apart from Elospa, kailangan mag-improve sila sa kanilang mga kanilang shot selections. And at the same time, they need to good account of themselves with some possible outside snapping. Nawala yun sa second quarter. Maganda first quarter nila. Pero yung second quarter, nawala yung shooting ng Santa Rita because of those turnovers. Alright, we're moments away of starting this third quarter. Teka, I think may problema tayo sa shot clock. Alright, third quarter is underway. Okay, medyo nawala yung shot clock natin. Anyway, let's get back on track. 16 point. Ayun. Here's the shot. It works. That's a long two by Bansangan. So that's an 18-point bubble from Mabalacat. Another turnover. Here's Elospa again. Alley-oop. Hindi na mangyayari yan, pero easy bucket na naman para sa Mabalacat. Almost a turnover. Mad scramble for the letter. It's going to be a jump ball. And the ball will retain for Santa Rita. .9:17 left in the third quarter. Here's a 3-point shot. Wala. Put back. Yes. That's Gilas. They need more than that. They're on an 18-point hole. Dizon quickly lost its bearings. And he will be called for the offensive foul. (54-36). Time down to 8 minutes and 55 sa ating third quarter. Santa Rita. Let's see if they can hit Fated in the offensive class. Outside shot. Bounces in. Oy, may swerte There's a 3-point bomb exploded. Lead is chopped down to 15 points. Arcelia. The bounce pass. And it's going to be another error. So, papabi traveling or dribbling violation siguro yan. (54-39). 15 points ang hinahabol ng Santa Rita. Inside incursion. Whoop. Bottle up. Hilabas. Kick out. 3-pointer. No. De La Cruz keeps it alive. Puts it in. The lead is down to 13. Arcilla. Bansangan watching out for far. Back to Evelson. Pulls up. It doesn't work. He gets it right back. Nice pump fake. Oh, the layup. No good. Put back inside the bait. Ayaw pa rin. Oh, that's 3 attempts for Bansangan. He definitely has nose of the ball. Baka ito mahilig mambasag ng plate. Kaya Bansangan mahilig mambasag ng plate. But however, he bungled that opportunity in the free throw line. The lead is still 13 for Mabalacat. Miss both free throws. Put back once again. Yes. Hoy, nandito ang ating kasamang assistant coach, si Alan Trinidad. In attendance. 56-41, 3-point shot on its way. Wala. High in the rebound. Itong si Manyalak. Barreling drive to the basket. Glass hit there. Good shot by Bernite. Back to a 13-point lead for Mabalacat. Pelospa, the hottest scorer for Mabalacat. Low post play. Kick out. Baseline. Finger roll. No. May foul. .6:39 remaining sa ating third quarter. Kaya ito na Santa Rita. Looking for cut. Nako. Malami ang pasa. Here's the pass. One from the baseline. Yeah. Great feed. And there is Aguilas pocket change on that loose ball. Balik sa 17 ng abante ng Mabalacat. 60-43. 5:54 remaining the third. Alright, ang next game natin, let's check. We have Sasmuan. We will check the other team. Babalikan kita. Babalikan kita, Mr. Michael Musa. Yung isang team is Sasmuan ang maglalaro, no? In the meantime, we have a foul. Maraming salamat sa ating mga 890 viewers watching dito sa Facebook Live. 14 fouls for Mabalacat, only 1 for Santa Rita. 15 seconds na lamang sa shot clock. So far, Mabalacat with a big, not so big, 11-point advantage na lang. Unti-unti tinatapyas ng Santa Rita ang labang. At eto na ang possession ng Mabalacat. 15 na lamang sa shot clock. Asunsyon, hindi makaporma. Tumira. Wala. Okay, tapo ngayon na sa Santa Rita. Medyo nabulabog siya. Here's the driving ingression. Uy! Bernate, back-to-back baskets. The lead is 9 points rather. 58-49. Medyo nawala yung scoring ni Ilospe after a fine first half. There's a whistle. It's a holding foul on number 7. And nagpapa-shoutout si Kelvin Paragua. Shoutout din sa iyo, Paul. Inuulit talaga no? 58-49. Alright, some substitutions. Ayan na yung athletic guy ng Mabalacat. Back in the fray. Katulog niya si Elospa who will inbound on the sideline. 14 to shoot now for Mabalacat. Dizon. Bernarte had a block, but he was called for the foul. Take a look at this. Oy, sabit sa kamay. So that means Dizon will shoot 3 free throws for Mabalacat. Alright, free throws now. Alright, ready for the second free throw. Wala. Kanyang pangalawang free throw. Sabi ni Homer Paricoltes, boss, pa-shoutout kay founder Pakdul ng Dao Mabalacat chapter na nagkakaisang guardians. Ayan, binati na kita sa Sir Homer Cortez. The lead is 8 now. Unti-unti tinatapos sa Santa Rita lamang. We have a foul from the baseline. Sabi ni Charwell Pascual Romero, shoutout kay Maymay Rivera. Sabi naman ni Rogelio Catap Jr., pa-shoutout from California, USA. Wow, worldwide na tayo. Take a look at this replay. That last situation. Gliding to the basket. Nice shot by Bernarte. Okay, sabi ni Charbel, shoutout Maymay Rivera, Pride Ning San Jose, Santa Rita, Pampanga. You know, Pride Santa Rita siya. But your team is trailing by 9 points. And Malyari will shoot free throws. And sabi ni Sed, Nosmite go Santa Rita. The lead is back to 11, 62-51 for Mabalacat. Time down to 4 minutes and 17 in the third quarter. Almost a turnover. Cost 8-second line. Jump shot. May foul. Si Dizon. Okay, free throws time. One free throw para sa Santa Rita. Sabi ni Silent Pangaliban, shoutout po kay Idol Vincent Marukot. Sabi rin ni Isabel Tarok, shoutout. Sabi ni Denver Halili, shoutout. Let's go back to the ball game, shall we? 3-point shot para sa Santa Rita. Bitin. Malyari keeps it alive for the white shirts ng Mabalacat. The lead is 10. Dizon from top of the key. Sidestep. Great escape back. Sabi ni LJ Cruz Pineda, shout out. Sabi ni Denver Garcia, shout out from Canada. Uy, marami nanonood sa Canada. 3-point shot. Back irons it. And detrás si Elospa. The lob. Exactamente. Right down the baseline. It's gonna be offensive foul on Malyari. Sabi ni RG Castro, shoutout boss watching from Occidental Mindoro. Let's take a look at this last bit of action slow-mo. Ayun, gumamit ng elbow. Ay, aray ko. Ang sakit nun. Ouch. It's an offensive foul there by Malyari. Back to live action. Ventura. Right down the middle. They swing it out. 3-point shot. Left corner court. Got it. The lead is now down to 9 points. Sumahabol ang Santa Rita. Marami tayong mga Santa Rita viewers right now, ha? Hang time by Elospe. Sapal. And here comes Santa Rita. Sobrang pasa. Sabi ni Aris Calalang, shoutout boss from New Zealand. Rainier Mundo. Kyle Ocampo, sabi pa shoutout kay Chachi Ocampo. Shoutout also kay Rainier Mundo. 2:35 in the third.
Another errant pass by Santa Rita, by Mabalacat. Santa Rita bumabalik na. This is just a 9-point game. Another 3. Back irons it. Taking a garbage but turned into a dust. Fast break opportunity. Almost. But it went down the drain. Alright, free throw times na. Okay, habang napipito, ang next game natin, nakaabang na pong Sasmuan. I'm waiting for another team to arrive. Sasmuan is ready there. Sabi ni Alan Nagip. Shoutout from Kabitikan. Ayaw kong banggitin yung ganyan, ano? Sabi ni Carlo Campos, shoutout kay Will Magpaya from QC. Whoops! Meron lang tayong konting shot clock manufacture. Pero meron tayong foul actually. Alright, next game, Ogam, Sasmuan. Tinitignan ko pa yung sino yung next opponent ng Sasmuan. Both teams now in penalty. And Topino scores of ito. Salamat sa 900 plus and almost 1K viewers. Yan si Silver. Sabi niya, pa-shoutout from Sultan Codorat. Ha ha ha. Ang galing nyo rin mag-ano, ha? 66-54 now. 2 minutes remaining, third quarter. Angeles, I'm not so sure. Maybe in the 5th or 6th game, we'll remind you for the next game of Angeles City. 10-point game for Mabalacat, 66-56. A minute and 45 remaining. Lost pa. What a superb game. Outside. It's gonna be traveling. Offense Alonga, shout out. Rain Sangalan Torres, shout out sa iyong pamilya. Juanito Sanchez, shout out. Santa Rita, watching from Riyadh, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Hello sa ating mga OFWs na nanonood. Hang time mo by Ocampo. Put back inside. This is just an 8-point game. This is just an 8-point game. 66-58. Roger Signal. Shot down from Dau Mabalacat. 12 to shoot now. Nice baseline drive. A minute remaining. Oops. Manyalak 3. He got it. 7-point game na lang ito. Sabi ni Edward Togyo Aviles, third day Mabalacat Village open starting at 4 p.m. 40 ticks to go. Hang time move didn't drop. Malyari nakakuha ng offensive rebound. Fakes, 2 pump fakes. Huli, Sapal. Santa Rita is on a comeback trail. Final 27 seconds before we end this third quarter. 3-point shot na naman. Kapos kapalaran. Sabi ni Juanito Sanchez, go, go, go Santa Rita. Sabi ni Oba Briones, good luck Mabalacat team at Apo Charles Piones. Sabi ni Christian Cosentales, pa-shoutout boss from Vancouver, Canada. Final 16 seconds, patay na po ang ating shot clock. Here's the drive, malakas. Malyari couldn't handle it. 7 seconds, 5 seconds. Oh, knock away. That knock away. Yeah, tama ka dyan, Sid. No smite. Konti na lang. It's just a 7-point game. 1.3 catch and shoot for the Black Shirts. Nice catch, but the time has expired. Third quarter score 68-61. Mabalacat up by 7. And we will show you some highlights of the third quarter. One of them is this. Kick out, 3 ball. Kaboom. And another kick out. Different spot, same result. Back after this for the payoff period. 68-61 ang ating talaan. Yung Guagua po, nanalo sila kanina 1-0. Tama ba? 1-0. Pero alam ko, naglaro na sila nakan eh. So, I believe they are 2-0. We will check. We will update the team standings po siguro by tomorrow. Oh, it's a backcourt violation now. Santa Rita now on the second half storm. Kanina nakita niyo yung good size crowd. Again, nagpapatuloy po ang Pampanga Inter-Municipalities-Cities Basketball Tournament, also known as Delta Cup 2023. This is a production of the Pampanga Information Office, headed by no less than our beloved Governor Dennis Delta Pineda. And of course, this is a live stream also at Sinag Liga Asia. You can like, share, and subscribe to Sinag Liga Asia and also to PIO for more info. And we have some block party for both squads. No look pass, batted away. Sabi ni Sean Galang, shout out Boss Ace Flores, number 1 SK Kagawa ng Mabiga, Mabalacat City. Fast break. That turnover hurts Santa Rita. Restored back the lead of Mabalacat to 9, 70-61. At hindi sila makasagot ng 3. Possession pa rin ng Santa Rita. Shot will not work. There's a foul. All right, free throw made. Or free throw not made rather. Meron tayong sub. Changing the guards there. Sabi ni Christy Tolentino, pa-shoutout sa lahat ng mga taga Mabalacat City. Nasa Jeju City o Jeju City, South Korea. Nanonood ngayon. Wow, ano sa'yo? Yan. So yung mga kapampangan na nasa iba't ibang bahagi ng mundo nanonood ngayon ng Delta Cup. Missed shot. And look at the crowd. It's now getting full. Especially on my side here. Lead is 8 points na. Tingnan natin ang Mabalacat kung mananatili ang kanilang lamang sa 8. 10 segundo sa shot clock. Dison, starter step. Hindi makalusot. Pumihit. Nilabas ang bola. 5 to shoot. Drop off. Dison. Nawala na spasyo. Nawala na spasyo. Babalik ang bola sa Santa Rita. 8 puntos sa kanilang hinahabol. Manyalak sa kanang bahagi ng court. Lipat kamay tayo. 15 to shoot. De La Cruz sa free throw. Double team. Nilabas. 10 to shoot. Starter drive. Ang kanyang drop pass na agawan ni Elospa. Takbo ngayon ng Mabalacat. Malyari with the drop. Pump fakes. Release from the corner. Wala. Kanya pa rin ang bola. Elospa. Drives against 2. Meron tayong pito sa referee. Okay, sabi ni Jaiban Mungay. Konnichiwa from Japan. Sabi ni Ron David, shout out from Toronto, Canada. So, worldwide itong mga kapampangans na nanonood. 20 to shoot. 70-62 Mabalacat City. Baseline. Nilabas ang bola. Alley-oop play. Whoa. That's nicely done by Bansangan. 10 puntos ang abante, 72-62. Ito na si Ventura, kumina ng 3-point shot. Wala. Malyari na kukuha ng rebound. Walang numero ang Mabalacat. Dandan muna sila sa opensa. Ito, 3-point shot. Wala. At meron tayong foul. Take a look at this. Beautiful alley-oop finish. Okay, John Reyap, ang next game natin, Sasmuan. Inantay ko pa yung isang team. Hindi pa yata nakaprepare. 3-point shot, wala. Battle for the rebound, nakuha ng Mabalacat, may foul kay De La Cruz. Sabi ni Yan, Bashata, Maxi Works Garage from Mabalacat. Sabi ni Fatim Manansala, shoutout kay Dale Audric Manansala. At sabi naman ni Mandal Benjamin, shoutout Juan Magalang. Shoutout naman ni Yan, pa-shoutout Maxi Works. Ayan. Okay, sinabi niya, inulit niya yung message niya. No? 10-point game, 72-62. 6:54 left in the fourth quarter. Medyo methodical ang opensa dito ng Mabalacat. They protecting a 10-point lead. That pass, masyadong malakas. Alright, sabi ni Prince Triton Pandino, shoutout, Hustle Barberia. Sabi ni Isabel Tarok, pa-shoutout, Cheska Baluyot. 10-point game. Santa Rita still trailing. The jump shot. Yes, pumasok. Walang puntos. Shot clock at 12. Rocky Mark, sasagutin yung tanong ko yan. Partially, yung fourth game natin, Sasmuan, nakabang. Mamaya, isasabihin ko siya kung sino mga kalaban ng Sasmuan. Hindi tumama. Tumama sa ring. Okay, sabi ng referee, tumama daw. Okay. Ayun. Shot will not work. 5:48 remaining. $70 to shoot now. Whoops! Offensive foul. Offensive foul laban sa Mabalacat. Okay, continue tayo sa shutouts. Sabi ni June Magat, Team Arayat. At sabi ni Kat De Leon, pa-shoutout po Ivan De La Cruz. We'll have a timeout. We'll be right back. Alright, tuloy tayo sa ating mga shoutout habang nakita natin na unti-unti pinupuno na ang BREN Convention Center. Sabi ni Taiwan J. Castro Limpin, shoutout from Canada. Sabi ni Lance Ocampo Lomerio, Minalin. Sabi ni Orlando Ludo, may game po bang San Fernando, Pampanga? I believe so. That might be the last game but I'll double check. Tuloy tayo sa laro, 5.5 minutes remaining, third quarter actions. Fourth quarter action rather. Delay ko yung laro. Bad pass by Malala. Turnover. Sabi ni Lee Tarby Tulabot, shoutout po kay Niro Morales. Sabi naman ni Easy Makatbag, shoutout kay Mark Montejo. Back to live action. 50 to shoot. Here's the finger wall. Ooh. Lead is 8. Nice fake. Fade away. Oh, beautiful. Ayan, sabi ni Mark Pamba, shoutout po kay Lani Pangan. 6-point game. Pass break. What a swat. What a defensive stop. Take a look at this. Just when you thought you have open, no! Erased. Complete erasure. Oh, sabi ni Jeffrey Puno, may game po ba aray ngayon, sir? Let's check. Nakikita ko na dito yung Sasmuan. Up next sila. Time down to 15 to shoot. Corner 3. Does not work. Rebound by Mabalacat. 6-point game, ha? Unti-unti bumabalik ang Santa Rita, mga kabalin. This is our third game of 6. Halfway point of our broadcast. 12 to shoot now. And thank you sa 1K viewers. Another steal. Santa Rita can come back here. Manyalak. Crossover. And the ball goes out of bounds. Sabi ni Rodel Enriquez, shoutout kay DJ Mumbai. Sabi ni Kyle Santos, shoutout Riley D-Zone. Pointing to shoot. Missed shot. Soy missed for De La Cruz. Now we have 1.1K viewers on Facebook and counting. Wow. And this live streaming is now being a bust. 14 on the shot. Quick provided by Malyari. 5 on the shot clock. Fakes. Puts it up. He gets it to go. Ray, sa tanong mo, Ray Sante Calyusen, starting this week, we'll have 3 games, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Pero mga nakaraan every week. Anan, almost a steal. Yes, it's a steal, rather. The drop, the fake, and it's gonna be a traveling. Alright, sabi ni Allen Talavera, shout out. Sabi ni Juanito Santos, manyaman manlame, kahit makarayo ka, balamu atsu kamu. Live, salamat po Gob sa iyong palaro. Lakol salamat kay kayo, Juanito. 8-point game. Inside, fakes, Buwan, no. Ball goes back to the white shirts of Mabalacat. Okay, pagdating ng last 2 minutes, pasensya na po, hindi ko na po kayo mababate. Maaari, makakabati pa ako within the last 2 minutes, or before the last 2-minute warning. 7 to shoot. Here's the drive. Whoops. A foul. Alright, Dizon. Hindi pumasok kanyang unang free throw. Second is no. It is a free throw violation. Sabi ni Ryan Jude Carino, shoutout Ilaw Dipo Arayat. Sabi naman ni KMRT Junior Henson, pasigaw naman dito sa Korea. Okay. Alright, back to live action. Manyalak. Jump shot. It does not work. Rebound. Mabalacat holding on to an 8-point lead. And we are approaching the timeline zone. Again, salamat sa ating mga Facebook viewers. Pasensya na po, hindi ko na kayo mababate. On the next game, we'll have more greetings for you, huh? Last 2 minutes now. Watching by Wilson, official ball of Delta Cup. 8-point game. Anything can happen. Whoops! There's a foul away from the ball. Neither team in penalty. Okay, 1 minute and 52 left. Under 2 minutes. Santa Rita looking for answers. They're trailing by 8. Here is Ventura. Thought about it. Jump shot. Challenge. And there's a foul. There's a foul. Okay. Yan ang ating replay. Ayun. Tinawagan ng foul. Free throw time now for Santa Rita, but this is a very important free throws to be taken. A miss here might backfire the hopes of Santa Rita's comeback aspirations. Free throw is good. Lead is just 7. A minute and 35 in this ball game. Some pressure being employed. Mabalacat needs to take care of that basketball. 12 to shoot. Mansangan drives. There's a foul. A minute and 17 remaining sa ating laro. Free throw is good. One more free throw. And we have a whistle. It's going to be a violation. 75 to 68. The lead is 7 points para sa Mabalacat. Medyo naubusan na Santa Rita for comeback aspirations. They need to score a field goal. Manyalak for 3. That's wide. And Mabalacat can hold on to this. A minute remaining. Tipino. 49 ticks remaining. They can hold on to this lead. 10 to shoot. Down to 6. Down to 5. Here's the drive. Elospa can finish it. What a move by Elospa. Ho ho. That deserves a second look. My goodness. Take a look at this. Just when you thought hindi na siya makakulusot, nagawa niya na ng paraan with a spinneroo. We're gonna hold on to the air. Ayan na, sa smuan, magwa-warm up na sila. They will be up next. At unti-unti na pong yung crowd natin 36 seconds remaining sa ating fourth and final quarter. Again, nagpapasalamat ako sa mga sumusuporta sa ating Delta Cup. Of course, sa ating buting Governor Dennis Delta Pineda for taking me in here. Okay, habang timeout, bati time muna tayo. Sabi ni Kyle Lakap, pa-shoutout kay JB Manalang, Malbe Lalam Gabon. Sabi ni Jess Fabi, shoutout po kay Conchal Gabon na Santa Rita. Sabi ni JB Manalang, shoutout kay Lakap, timpla muna ko ng pangkape. They're already sending congratulations to Mabalacat. They're just 37 seconds away, not unless Santa Rita come out of full escape uprising. Manyala, Ventura, 3 ball. That might be it. Well, 27 seconds. This game for Mabalacat is in the refrigerator. The door is closed. The heads are cooling. The ball is getting out. The gel is jiggling. Mabalacat will get a win. And in just a short while, we will interview our best player of the ball game. You already know the one who scored that last basket. Elospa is the one who's been a consistent performer. 3-point shot. Tapos na po ang laban. Final score, 77 to 68. A win by Mabalacat. 9-point incursion. Congratulations to Mabalacat. And just a short while, we will have the best player honors. We will interview Elospa. Final score on your screens. Ating final score, 77 to 68. MJ Elospa ang ating best player. Almost have a double-double.
MJ, tell us something yung huling tira mo na dalawa dumipensa sa'yo, pumihit, nakascore ka pa.
Sa tiwala po ng coaches ko, sabi po kasi nila, total penalty na rin po yung kalaban. Mag-drive lang po na mag-drive pa. Hindi ko rin po alam na magagawa ko yun. Kaya yun po, thankful po kasi naka-convert po.
At ngayong araw na to, pinakita mo na sukat mo yung free throw. Ini-expect mo to pagka playoffs pag ikaw na-foul, kailangan ma-make mo ng maraming free throws.
Opo, kasi importante po yan, lalo na sa playoffs po.
Alright MJ, dahil ikaw ang best player, ito na pagkakataon mo nang bumati at magpasalamat sa ating mga kabalin.
Unang-una po, pinapasalamatan ko po yung mga sumusuporta po sa Mabalacat team, kay Mayor Chris Garbo po, at sa mga kaibigan ko po, pamilya ko na sumusuporta po sa amin, kay Governor Dennis Delty Pineda, kay Boss Jan Pineda, kay Boss Rabin Rivera, at sa mga coaches ko po, Coach Jordan Biray, Coach Homer Pascual, Coach Neylan Sang, Coach Gabriel Locmayon, Coach Emmanuel Reyes, Coach Miguel Between, at kay Boss Rabin Rivera po.
Okay MJ, congratulations sa iyo. Dagat salamat. That's our Game 3. We're now halfway through our broadcast. Coming up next, it's gonna be Minalin versus Sasmuan when Delta Cup continues after this.